It's some time. Hi guys! Did you check out our video on what is a migraine? Wasn't that fantastic? But now, to make it a little more interesting, I'll replay the video and ask some questions in between. What is a migraine?
A bad headache.
Nah. A migraine is not just a bad headache. It is often accompanied by other symptoms like vomiting, nausea, sensitivity to light, sound, etc. Vomiting and nausea are also symptoms of which of the following? Athlete's foot, motion sickness, and your time has begun. Start guessing.
Come on, the clock is ticking. Write your answer in the comment section.
The correct answer is option number 2. That is motion sickness. Hence, migraine is actually a multi-symptom disorder. Migraine headaches can last from 4 hours to 72 hours. However, the duration and symptoms may vary from person to person. Usually, the symptoms like food cravings, neck stiffness, yawning, constipation, etc. may begin before the actual headache. Migraine headaches occur only in right side of the head. True or false? Are you ready? Your time starts now. The correct answer is false, because migraine headaches can occur on any side of the head and may spread to both sides. This period is called prodrome phase. After this, the phase called aura begins, in which an individual may experience blurred vision, slurred speech, pins and needle sensation, etc. Whom should you normally visit when you experience blurred vision? Oncologist, orthopedic, dentist, ophthalmologist. And your time has begun. Start guessing.
Think fast and write your answer or correct option in the comment section.
The correct answer is option number 4. That is ophthalmologist. Then begins the attack phase when actual headache strikes. The pain is often only on one side of the head and is accompanied by symptoms like nausea, vomiting, etc. After the attack phase, when the headache subsides, the individual may experience confusion, fatigue, etc. This phase is called postdrome phase. Which of the following can possibly trigger migraine? Nuts, caffeine, processed meat, all of the above. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option number 4. That is all of the above, because nuts, caffeine, and processed meat can trigger migraine.